Hey, this is NK Fabio, here to show you the Z06 in orange from Hot Wheels. It's not bad. It looks better in white. Yeah, I've been doing my playthroughs on my other channel, and yeah, been playing Cyberpunk 2077, and been doing editing and all that. It's come out nice, and been doing the playthroughs. I like to post the thing on the show you my playthrough. I've been doing. Yeah, I've been doing my flat and starting to do the laminates. Just finish painting and all that, and just in my car. I'll just order the grill and just plan to save up on tinting the windows, doing those, all doing that. Hopefully, just do all those. Yeah, and yeah, haven't been doing much on my birthday. Yeah, which was 2 days ago. My birthday was 2 days. Yeah. Yeah, haven't been doing that. So just that. Haven't been doing much on lockdown, but that's it. Yeah, thanks for watching.